my lovely friends, and welcome back. I am so excited because today I'm going to be painting Yummy and Tea. You know how much I love them, so this is going to be very special painting. At the same time, I have a little pressure as well because they have to look really nice because I'm going to see them entire my life. This painting is going to stay with me forever. I am really looking forward to this one and I hope this turns out to be nice. So wish me luck and let's get started. Come on in. Alright, so today is day 1 and first things first, we are going to be planning the entire painting today. So, सबसे important problem जो इन दोनों के साथ है कि it's very difficult to take their photographs, especially together. तो इसलिए मैं use करने वाली हूँ ये Procreate app. It's going to be super simple and easy for me to just combine both of them and just see what looks nice and take all the decisions here. And I am just going to be doing that, and then in stage 2 I am just going to be finalizing the outlines. And now comes the most challenging part of converting this image into a painting by using my own creativity yet trying to make them as realistic as possible. I first finalize the outlines, now creating the backgrounds using inks and acrylics. It is so therapeutic to me, it just sets the mood for the painting. Painting eyes today, which is my favorite part. Very excited and thoda pressure bhi hai is baar, but let's see how it turns out to be. So through this painting, I'm also sharing the real personality of my pets. Yummy, who is the elder one, is very funny, jolly, loving and very playful. On the other side, Tea is very calm, quiet and extremely intelligent. There is no food or mouse or squirrel that can hide away from her. And yes, Ball is her favorite thing in the world. I think after her father, this is something that she loves the most. So I wanted to bring the real personality of my babies on this canvas and cherish them for a lifetime. Welcome to day 3. I am super excited and so emotional looking at it already. So now it's finally time where I can decorate them the way I always wanted. It's just so annoying and uncomfortable for the pets, to wear all these jewelry and these flowers in real life. So we have a chance to do it here and I can play with my imagination and see my babies getting all dolled up. Here is the final reveal. Do let me know what you think. Okay, now the moment of truth, sharing with you their reaction on this portrait.
Who is this? Emma? Who is this? Tea, come! Tea, come! Tea, small tea. Emma, who is this? You like your portrait? I love you. Mwah! Thank you.
So this was the final look of the painting. I had so much of fun making it. So yeah, I'm also open for pet commissions because I just realized how much I love painting animals. So in case you also want your pet to be painted, you can go to my website and book a slot for your commission order. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye!